Hey there, and welcome back to your English Practice Challenge. Today is the first day of your 5-day speaking journey. This is your space, a place where you can listen, repeat, and grow more confident in your English every single day. So get comfortable, put on your headphones, and let's begin. Let's imagine it's early morning. You wake up, stretch, and look out the window. The sun is rising, the world is quiet, and you whisper to yourself, "Today I will speak better English." That's where we start, not with perfect grammar or fancy words, but with a decision. A decision to show up and speak. Repeat after me. I believe in my progress. I trust the process. Good. Now let's build on that. Let's talk about morning routines, a simple, familiar topic. I usually wake up at 7 a.m. I brush my teeth, wash my face, and make a cup of coffee. Now you say it. Again. A little faster. With more confidence. I make a cup of coffee, then I sit down and plan my day. Nice work. Let's add some feeling. I love quiet mornings. They help me feel focused and calm. You're doing amazing. Remember, it's not just about repeating, it's about feeling what you say. Living the language. Now let's move to a new situation. Imagine you're meeting someone for the first time. Hi, nice to meet you. My name is Lena. Pause. Try it yourself. What do you do for a living? I'm learning English because I want to travel the world. Excellent. You're building your confidence word by word. Now let's practice a small story, a daily life moment. Yesterday, I went to the supermarket. I needed some vegetables, bread, and milk. The store was crowded, and the line was long. But I smiled and waited patiently. Did you catch the rhythm? Let's try again. Yesterday, I went to the supermarket. Say it. I needed some vegetables, bread, and milk. Say it again. Feel how the language flows. You're not memorizing, you're absorbing. Let's shift now. Imagine you're in a cafe, chatting with a friend. I'll have a cappuccino, please. What about you? Let's sit near the window. I love watching people pass by. Shadow me. I love this place. It's cozy and quiet. Perfect for thinking. Breathe. Relax. You're improving. You're speaking English. This is your time. Now, a quick mindset reminder. You don't need to be perfect. You need to be consistent. You don't need to know every word. You need to use the words you know with confidence. Repeat that again. Feel it. Now, one last topic before we wrap up today's session, your goals. Next year, I want to speak English fluently. I want to feel confident in meetings and conversations. I want to understand movies without subtitles. I want to express myself freely. Say those out loud. Not for me, for you. Because your voice matters. Your journey matters. And this challenge, it's just the beginning. Thanks for practicing today. Come back tomorrow for day 2. And until then, keep speaking, keep repeating, and keep believing in yourself. You're stronger than you think. You're learning more than you know. Take care, and see you in the next session. Bye for now.